Hello, today we are going to show you how to assemble the handle 3060 when it is powder coated, and you can assemble it to this from this different components. As you can see here, now there are different, you get in disassembled form this all components. Then there is an bush plastic, this is spring, this is the handle base up, the handle base down, then there is another plastic component here, then again a spring is here, and the spindle is here, and this is the screw fixing, and this is the square pin. The same remains from the other side. Now all these components are here. This is handle, this is bush, this is spring, this is the base, this is about its cap, this is the plastic component, this is spring, this is the spindle, this is the screw, and this is the square pin. I will show you how to assemble it. You need to pick this, fix this above it, put the spring like this, take the plastic component and insert it, take the spindle, take the cap like this, fix the cap, put this spring here, and you need to be specific to insert this in this slot here, and the other side need to be here. Very good. You need to fix this screw from the top. Before assembly, you have to make sure you put 2 drops of this solution so that the screw doesn't comes out. Now again assembling it. Take the screw and you have to tighten it. You tighten it and it's done. You can show the operation, and this handle is ready to use now. Hope you understand the video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.